Number 1.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $8,450, with 96,600 miles, an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a gray interior, and a gasoline-powered drivetrain. It is equipped with a 4.0L V6 engine producing 160 horsepower and 225 lb-ft of torque, giving it plenty of power for everyday work. Its sturdy construction and proven V6 make it a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable compact truck. Inside, the Ranger XLT provides a comfortable and spacious cabin with seating for up to 5 passengers. The XLT trim adds convenient features including power windows, air conditioning, and a CD player, making it well suited for both work and longer drives. With its solid performance, useful equipment, and relatively low mileage, this 1999 Ford Ranger offers a good balance of capability and everyday comfort.
Number 2.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000. The truck is a rare find, remaining in original, unmolested condition with just 136,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a dependable 5.7L Vortec V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, this truck runs and drives excellently. Hailing from the Midwest, it is remarkably well preserved with little to no rust. The exterior features a striking red paint job complemented by a warm tan interior, and it rides on a brand new set of tires installed this year. Over the years, the vehicle has been well cared for and updated with numerous new parts to keep it in prime mechanical shape. Adding to its practicality, the truck is emissions exempt, meaning it does not require a computer plug-in during inspection. Combining low original mileage, solid 4WD capability, and a pristine body, this classic Sierra stands out as a clean, highly reliable pickup ready for its next owner.
Number 3.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This versatile truck has driven 174,000 miles over its lifetime. The vehicle features an eye-catching red exterior finish that is nicely complemented by a practical gray interior. The truck is mechanically ready for daily driving duty, starting right up without hesitation every time. The cabin offers a comfortable and functional environment, equipped with an air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air for pleasant driving in any weather. This Ranger delivers a fantastic combination of practicality, reliable performance, and classic truck appeal.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $10,500, powered by gasoline and featuring an automatic transmission with 228,000 miles on the body. It sports a vibrant red exterior and presents an exceptionally clean overall look. Under the hood, the truck boasts a newer Deerheads 2.8L remanufactured engine that was professionally installed in February 2026 by a reputable local shop. For ultimate peace of mind, the new engine comes backed by a 4-year, unlimited mile warranty that includes labor rate reimbursement. Combining a fresh, warranted powertrain with a solid and exceptionally clean body, this S10 offers an outstanding foundation whether used as a comfortable cruiser, a stylish street truck, or a custom hot rod project.
Number 5.
2005 GMC 2500, price $10,995, powered by a robust 6.6L V8 turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, showing 340,000 miles on the odometer. Built in a spacious crew cab layout with a versatile 6.5-foot bed, the truck features a bold red exterior finish nicely complemented by a beige interior, offering impressive towing and hauling capability alongside everyday practicality. Loaded with the top-tier SLT trim package, the truck's cabin provides a comfortable and convenient environment for both driver and passengers. It comes equipped with a functional audio and radio system for entertainment on the road, as well as an air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air. Overall, this 2500 HD represents a well-equipped, highly capable 4WD diesel workhorse built to tackle tough jobs, heavy loads, and long-distance highway cruises with ease.
Number 6.
2001 Mazda B2300, price $5,000, featuring a single cab with a short bed configuration and 132,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an engaging manual transmission, this truck runs and drives great while maintaining a clean title. It displays a distinctive gold exterior complemented by a brown interior, presenting a tidy and well-kept appearance both inside and out. The cabin is comfortable and equipped with essential amenities, including a functional audio and radio system along with an air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air. For added utility, the truck comes fitted with a handy bed toolbox for secure storage. The seller notes that while the exterior driver's door handle is currently broken, a replacement part has already been ordered to resolve the minor issue. Overall, it stands as a neat, dependable, and practical light-duty truck ready for work or daily driving. Number 7. 1996 Ford Ranger, price $3,500. The truck is a well-maintained, reliable compact pickup featuring a smooth automatic transmission with 200,000 miles driven over its lifetime. Visually, the truck features a classic beige exterior finish paired with an interior that is clean and tidy, presenting a well-kept appearance both inside and out for a vehicle of its age. Under the hood, both the engine and transmission remain in good mechanical condition, providing strong, dependable performance that makes the truck fully ready for daily commutes or light hauling. Inside the cabin, driver and passengers will find a fully functional environment designed for comfortable year-round driving. The climate control system is in excellent working order, featuring a heater that works perfectly alongside an air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air during warmer days. To top it off, the truck comes with a clean and complete Nevada title in hand, making for a straightforward, hassle-free transaction for anyone seeking a solid, functional classic Ford Ranger. Number 8. 1986 Dodge Ram 50, price $3,500. The truck is a classic vintage compact equipped with an efficient 2.0 L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an engaging manual transmission, showing just 112,000 miles on the odometer. Visually, the truck features a sleek and timeless black exterior finish complemented by a neat interior, presenting an exceptionally clean and well-preserved appearance both inside and out for a vehicle of its generation. Mechanically sound and dependable, the pickup starts up smoothly, runs well, and drives great, offering an authentic, mechanical driving feel that makes classic mini trucks so enjoyable. On the utility side, it boasts a remarkably clean and pristine truck bed that is ready for light hauling, weekend projects, or casual cruising. Complete with a clean Utah title in hand for a fast and hassle-free sale, this well-maintained Ram 50 stands out as an increasingly rare, highly practical classic truck for any collector or enthusiast. Number 9. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $3,288, powered by an efficient 2.3 L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an engaging manual transmission, showing 173,100 miles on the odometer. The truck features an attractive gold exterior finish complemented by a tan interior, offering a clean and classic color combination. Inside the cabin, the truck comes upgraded with an aftermarket stereo system for enhanced audio entertainment on the go. The truck that while the air conditioning compressor is currently bad and will need replacement to get the cold air flowing again, the truck remains a dependable and economical choice for anyone seeking a functional light-duty vehicle. Number 10. 1991 Ford F-150, price $2,950, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, showing 136,000 miles on the odometer. Visually, the truck features an attractive blue exterior finish matched with a gray interior, presenting an exceptionally clean cabin environment. Underneath, the frame and underbody are solid with no rust, and the vehicle rides on a fresh set of new tires while benefiting from a recent oil change. Mechanically sound and ready for the road, the truck runs and drives well, with all power windows and door locks in full working order. Additionally, the truck bed is remarkably clean and well maintained, adding to its overall utility for hauling and daily chores.